So this is the Needles Eye Tunnel along the Needles Highway in South Dakota. It's Highway 87. They finished building it in about 1922, from what I hear. It's a tight, windy road with a single-lane tunnel bored through the granite hills there. Trying to get a shot of maybe some motorcycles coming out of the tunnel, but as I'm floating around here, all I end up with is a couple vehicles coming out. The last time I was in South Dakota in 2019, Needles Highway was closed, so this is the first time I had ever been up there. It was really worth the ride. It's a really beautiful thing. You can see a long ways. I'm really not making this up. I really have no idea what I'm doing with this drone. I'm just really trying to find back where I'm at, and I'm off to the left of the screen, and because of the glare, I can't hardly see my screen. So, because it's on a little cell phone, so I've already passed myself. And of course, this drone is white, and if you look up, well, what do you see? More white. As we come over this tree, you see the guy in the orange shirt there pulling up. I wonders what the heck that buzzing noise is. I see motorcycles, but I'm like, that's not my motorcycle, so I'm in the wrong spot. So back where I'm at, there's this couple, and they're asking me about my drone and what I'm doing, and I'm not, they were from out of the country. I had an accent, that's okay. But they, so I'm showing them my screen and what this thing will do, and they're like, well, where is it? I'm like, I don't know. So that's about the time I hit the, not yet. I'm able to do it, doing a 360 to kind of show her everything, what it's doing, but still can't find the drone. And I can't find the lot that I'm sitting on, so I should have actually gained a little height so I have a better field of view, but again, I'm new at this, so I'm panning around trying to find the parking lot I'm at. Still can't find it. The people aren't helping because they're telling me, wow, drone's really lost. You're not going to lose that thing, are you? I'm like, I hope not. It's new. So again, I'm just mashing buttons and levers and like a drunk chimpanzee. Now here's where I accidentally take an amazing shot. Drone's going to rise up a little bit. I'm going to tilt the camera back up, and I mean, just look at that. But again, I'm panicking, so I don't know where the drone is, and I hit the return to home button, and boy, thank goodness this thing knew right where it was, and it knew where I was, even though I didn't know where I was. And back it comes. And so, funny story, the lady next to me, she's like, the drone on the way back? I said, well, yeah, I hear it, but I don't see it. And this is when she tells me, hey, you know, your drone's right above you. I'm like, oh, okay, thanks. So we all had a good laugh over it. But all in all, I'm really impressed with this thing. So hopefully I'll be flying around some more. Thanks.